In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit domain name on Hostinger full 2025 guide. If you're looking to update or manage your DNS settings, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently update records like MX or CNAME without any hassle. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Hostinger website. You can type Hostinger into your search bar or go directly if you've bookmarked it. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, typically in the upper right corner. Click it and sign in with your account details. If you haven't logged in for a while, it helps to have your credentials handy so you can move through this quickly. After logging in, navigate to your domain portfolio within the Hostinger dashboard. This is the central place where all your domains are listed, making it simple to manage everything from one screen. Take a moment to locate the specific domain you want to edit. When you find it, look to the right for the three-dot icon. Clicking those three dots opens a small menu of actions. From that menu, choose Edit DNS Zone. This opens your domain's DNS settings and gives you access to the controls that tell the internet where to send traffic for your site and email. Inside this screen, select Manage DNS Records to proceed. This is where you'll actually view and edit the individual records associated with your domain. Here, you'll see different record types, including MX and CNAME. MX records tell email services where your mail should be delivered, while CNAME records let one hostname point to another, which is commonly used for subdomains or third-party services. To make a change, select the record you want to update, carefully enter the new value your provider gave you, and confirm any required fields like priority or host. Work through each record you need to adjust one at a time, keeping your reference information nearby to avoid typos. When you're done, save your changes. Saving is essential so the new DNS settings take effect. It's a great idea to double check each entry before you leave this page. Small mistakes like an extra space or a missing dot can cause your site or email to stop working. Remember, DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet, so changes might not be visible immediately. And that's it. You've successfully edited your domain settings on Hostinger. If you run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is there to help. Thanks for watching and happy website managing.